Okay, so hello and welcome to the WADA presentation. My name's Josh Fielding. I'm the co-founder and global lead for WADA. Thanks for the opportunity to present. We've been hard at work from Fund 1 and the beginning, so I'm grateful for the chance to give a broad overview of what we've been up to and our plans after Fund 3 and sort of explain how we've already started onboarding companies onto the Catalyst platform. I believe we only have about 5 minutes to boil down 6 months of work, so don't be mad if I do have to flick through some of the slides. Contact the team and we'll set up a more extensive interview if the time wasn't enough. If you have any questions, drop them in the slide link, and if we get time, we'll address them. If not, we'll save them and address them in a future interview. And I think Mercy is on hand in the chat with the links. So as we know, Cardano is very bullish on Africa, whether that's from a purely economic standpoint or otherwise. The point is that the continent is now in the spotlight. So it's up to us as a community to figure out what to do about it and how to build a structure that can support, thousands of developers and potentially billions of users. So as we know, there's a huge market opportunity in West Africa and the wider continent. Where WADA wishes to start is create these local hubs, local resource hubs in each country and incubate developer upstarts in terms of onboarding them into the Cardano ecosystem and providing them with the tools they need to start developing with Plutus and Marlow. We will do this by gradually extending our reach once a pilot number of hubs have been established, say 4 to 5 hubs. Then once we have a working model, we'll then launch in every country across the region. So with our background, close working ties, with some of us having worked together over 5 months already, we are well equipped to take on this ambitious project together. And a special mention goes to Jacob Tete, who's our in-house designer, working for months on logos and graphics for us and our partner projects for free. So with the trust that his work will be supported eventually. So all logos and graphics come through here, the nice iconography you can see. So if you want to show him some support, please do so. His Twitter handle is @CardanoJacob. So here's the WADA story. We didn't make it in Fund 1 or 2, but since then, we've been very busy, just volunteer hours to make this work. So about a month ago, interest started bubbling through Twitter, YouTube, IdeaScale, and the sheer willpower of our founder and communications lead, Mercy Techimenson, who's across any and all platforms. I'm sure you've heard of her. So all these proposals we have, there's already a network effect happening where we're combining resources, streamlining proposals, and already finding synergies with a partnership and sponsorship already on the table outside of Catalyst. We've added specialties also for good reasons that there isn't time to go into, but if you see these different hubs in IdeaScale, know that your vote goes towards something specific in most cases. WADA remains the administrative and educational center for all the various hubs to connect with. Where we go in the future is much broader than this, of course. So how far we go with this is how far the Cardano community is willing to go with us. What do you want to see this turn into? Have you thought about how companies built on top of Cardano will communicate and network in the future? It's very likely that we will be setting up a global coalition and token aspect down the road, but step by step, let's get WADA in place first, formalize the process, then begin to branch out. Though if you are from other regions, we'd still like to hear from you and begin forming these relationships in the background. So yeah, ask yourself, what would it look like if there was a network of these hubs and alliances that could all align through a shared vision of the future? So there may be some people out there scratching their head wondering, how does WADA make money? How do I profit from this? I would say at this point, those are probably the wrong questions. Instead, frame it as what has WADA done so far and how can this be the team to lead the way for Cardano in West Africa? So if you believe in what we're doing at WADA and our long-term vision for the continent, please follow the link below and find out more about the team and then vote once Fund 3 opens this Friday. Mercy will post a link in the chat, this bit.ly. So here's an exclusive preview of what we've been working on for Fund 4 and beyond. The Catalyst system is notoriously hard to navigate for new proposals. So what we are providing is advice, training, and mentorship for both companies and individual hubs. So if you're interested in finding out more about the team, projects, or future partnerships, these are various ways to contact us. So please do so. The Discord link is good for the first 100 invites. So make a note of it if you're interested. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for your attention. And we will be hosting a Zoom Q&A after the town hall, and we'll post a link. And so don't forget, we add to multiply. See you next time.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow, I think you, this was a really impressive presentation. Just everything you're doing, but also how crisp and concise and to the point and directed you all are. It's, again, I might just, like, my mind keeps blowing up again and again.
Yeah, good to hear.
Really incredible work, and I wish you all the best.
All right, thanks. So we'll speak again soon. Bye, everyone.